Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really good affiliate marketing method where you can market, well, over 4,000 different types of products that you want. You can certainly find something that you're passionate about to market with this affiliate marketing method, and I'm going to show you one really good place where you can market this at for free, and you have an opportunity to make lots of money with this particular method depending on how much you do it, right? All right, so if this sounds good to you for affiliate marketing, you want to stick around and see this video, let's go ahead and get started on this here. But first of all, for those of you that are new to my videos and this is your first time here, if you haven't yet subscribed, well, I'd like you to think about it. Reach down there right now while we're thinking about it. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly frequently here on this site with money-making ideas to help you guys bring more time and financial freedom into your lives with each and every money-making video that I come out with. All right. Well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this. The site that we're going to be dealing with here today to show you how to do this is called Yazing right here. You see it right here up here in the address bar, guys. It's Yazing, YAZING.com. This site right here is a site that people can come to here, and you can find products, all kinds of products, over 4,000 products. As you can see here, get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. And as you can see right here, it's saving and making money with Yazing is easy. It says here, get paid to shop. Yazing pays you cashback rewards on everything that you buy. But of course, that's not what we're here for today, right? We're here to make money. So look over here to the right of that. It says get paid to promote right here, guys. It says Yazing also pays you cash rewards when you promote any brand's deal and coupon page with others and your influence to generate sales. And then it says here, get paid fast, guys. Yazing sends your money directly to your PayPal account. So you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account here. And if you don't, it's easy enough to create one. Just go to paypal.com and create a free personal account there. You don't need a business account unless you just want to. And then use the same email address that you're signing up with PayPal. You want to use that on this particular site too when you sign up. And you can see right here, here's a few of the top brands. I mean, I'm sure you guys know all these different brands that you see here: Home Depot, Verizon, Walmart, QuickBooks. How about Dell? Everybody knows about Dell computers. eBags, Blue Apron. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Groupon, Wine.com. And as you see right here, there's over 4,305 different brands, including these, on this site, and they all have products, and you have the ability to make a lot of money with these products. All right, and you can see some of the brands and stores here. It talks about how it works and some of the deals. They have really good coupon codes here that can help you in your marketing here. Okay, so we'll show you how to do that here in a moment. What you want to do is you want to click on Join Now right here. When you click on that, it brings you over here, and you pick a username, and then, like I said, you want to put in your PayPal email address so that there's no discrepancy on you getting your money, right? I always say use your PayPal email address, and then pick a good strong password, confirm it, click register now, or you can also join with your Facebook account. Now, I created a local account on here, and yes, I can tell you that they will send you an email confirmation. So you want to make sure that you get that checked out, get your account verified, and then come back and get logged in. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account here and click on log in here. And you can see as it brings us back, as you can see here, guys, there are all kinds of products here. I mean, look at how much you can make. Up to 9% cash reward, 25%. Look here, $500 cash reward for BlockFi crypto. And then over here is Bluehost, $65 on that. Coinbase is a 50% cash reward. CoinSmart up to a $50 cash reward. And you can see as you scroll down here, there are just all kinds, and we can click right here and show all kinds of more brands, guys. And all of these brands are hoping that you will come here and promote their products. So let's just take one as an example here. Well, let's come back up here to BlockFi, and we'll work with it because you can make $500 if you get somebody to sign up and fund an account on BlockFi. So you can click right here to promote to earn right here, guys, and when you do that, it brings you over, and you see it pops up with your affiliate link right here, guys, when you click on that, and you can share it with Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest right off the bat. So what we want to do is, but we want to come over here and click on coupon codes right here, guys. You see that? I'm going to click on that, and then we're going to type in right up here, we're going to type in BlockFi so we can see what's going on with it, right? And then you can see it brings up BlockFi here. It's got all these deals for BlockFi. Look, earn up to $250 of Bitcoin bonus when you sign up and fund your account, and then receive up to $250 again when you do that, and no minimum balance. Receive $25 bonus with a qualifying deposit, and all these other coupon deals right down through here, as you see, guys. What will happen is they will come over and we will promote that. I'm going to show you how to promote this in just a moment. And what happens is they click on this, it brings them over to the BlockFi site, and if they sign up right here, guys, and put money into their account, you're going to make up to, what did it show on that? Up to about $500. So it could be $100, could be anywhere up to $500 in one sale by promoting just BlockFi. We haven't talked about all the other 4,000 different businesses that want you to promote their product, right? So we're just using this as an example. So now, how would you promote that, for example? Well, what you can do is you can come over here, and then when you click on Shop Now, whoops, the wrong thing there. Promote to earn right here. It brings up our link. And what we want to do is we would use this link right here. All right, and now, if I come back over to BlockFi, if I click on that, and it comes down and it shows you a little bit about BlockFi, but we want to come back to the beginning here. I want to click on the other one here to see. So if I click on BlockFi here, yeah, it does. It brings us right here. Now, here's the same coupon deals down through here, guys. But I wanted to see, this is what we're going to use. We're going to use this information right here. And you can even use this image if you want right here too, this BlockFi image. So what I've done is I've created a little thing here, a little script that you can use. Now calling it BlockFi Crypto, and then tell them they can earn up to $250 worth of Bitcoin bonus when they sign up and fund their new account. And then I took this information right here, which is all of this information right here, guys. I just copied that and brought it over here in Notepad and pasted it in right here. And then all you do is you type what I typed right here, click here to get this amazing deal now. And as you can see, right there is my affiliate link onto that, right? You want to add your affiliate link there. Now, of course, one of the best places to promote this is over here on Facebook, guys. If you'll notice, I come over here to Facebook, I clicked signed into my account on Facebook, and then I clicked on groups right here, guys. And then when you click on groups over here, if you'll notice, I typed in over here discounts over here, and I clicked on search, and it brought up all of these people looking for discounts. Of course, you know how many people want a discount, right? Everybody's looking for discounts, right? Everybody's looking for deals. You could type deals in here, you could type coupons or discounts. Any one of those three, you're going to find all kinds of groups here. And if you look here, it's 122,000 people looking for discounts in this community right here. And if we come on down here, it's 13,000, 3,000, 11,000, 41 guys. It's safe to say that people are looking for discounts and coupons and things like that, right? So this is the perfect place to market your yazing deals on products off of there. All right, particularly I'm doing this for it can be with any of those product discounts. Any of the products have those coupon discounts like you see. So what you would do is you come over here. You want to join these groups, as many as you can, preferably all of them if you can, because you can do this with not just one product. You can do this with many, many, many other ones off of yazing like you saw, right? So what you do is you join the group, and then you just simply post into the group something like what you see that I did here for the BlockFi Crypto, and you post that into the group and make a post. and then add that into the group, and then when somebody clicks on your link, it brings them over to this page right here. And if they click on shop now on any one of these coupons here and they sign up, when it takes them to the site, you're going to make anywhere up to $500 just for this. Look, cash reward right here, up to $500 on an per approved funded account or loan account, and so on and so forth. So as you can see right here, that you have the potential with lots of different products to make lots of money promoting these things. Now you can promote this even on Pinterest like it shows you here, guys. Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. And you can promote your affiliate link right here off of Yazing on all three of these sites, and then all you got to do is just use a little bit of creativity. How about like on Instagram? How about like on Reddit? How about like on LinkedIn? Use your imagination and creativity and do it even on classified sites. Put these products and get your links out all over with different products all over the internet. And the more you post those links out there, the more opportunity you're going to have to make lots of money with affiliate marketing with this particular site called Yazing. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, if you like that video and that method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help the YouTube algorithm and my channel as well. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. Also, if you got any questions or comments about this particular method or video, comment down below in the section down there. Tell me where you saw this video from. Comment that down there as well. I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. If you want to see my free video presentation that will show you the formula on how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands of dollars possibility in one day's time, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com. and come over and come through my funnel and check out how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting today. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.